There's a bold new idea coming out of France that's pushing emission-free aviation in a completely different direction, and it's starting to prove the doubters wrong. The aircraft, known as the BYA, isn't flying passengers yet and still has a long journey ahead, but it just cleared a major hurdle that brings it much closer to reality. It recently passed a key review under both European Union Aviation Safety Agency and Federal Aviation Administration guidelines, confirming that its hydrogen-powered design can actually meet certification standards. That's a huge deal, because it shows this concept isn't just futuristic, it's achievable. The company behind it, Beyond Aero, has been aiming high since day one. Founded in 2020, the team set out to build a hydrogen-electric aircraft that meets the same strict requirements as traditional commercial jets. That's not the easy path. It means they're not only creating something entirely new with hydrogen propulsion, but also making sure it satisfies every safety and performance rule expected of a business jet. That combination makes the challenge pretty intense. The engineers have to rethink everything from fuel cells and cooling systems to how hydrogen is stored, and even how airports will support it. Instead of using liquid hydrogen, they've chosen gaseous hydrogen stored in tanks mounted above the wings. This setup helps with natural ventilation and supports a target range of around 800 nautical miles, or about 1,500 kilometers, which is impressive for a zero-emission aircraft. Now that the project has successfully completed its preliminary design review, confirming the aircraft's architecture and major systems, the team is moving into the next phase. That means diving deeper into detailed design work and testing how all these systems function together in real-world conditions. At the same time, Beyond Aero isn't just focusing on the aircraft itself. They're also working behind the scenes to make sure the infrastructure will be ready when the jet is. That includes building a network for hydrogen refueling, using both 700-bar fixed systems and 350-bar mobile solutions. The goal is to allow the BYA to operate from existing airports without needing massive changes. They've already signed more than 20 agreements with airport operators and hydrogen suppliers, laying the groundwork for a system that can scale as demand grows. And this is just the beginning of that effort. When it's ready, the BYA is expected to carry 6 passengers with zero emissions, reaching distances that current all-electric aircraft simply can't match. Inside, it's being designed like a true business jet, with larger elliptical windows, improved noise insulation, and even high-speed Starlink internet to keep passengers connected in the air. Beyond Aero, with teams in Toulouse and Los Angeles, has already secured over $50 million in funding, and even picked up assets from Universal Hydrogen, a key player in hydrogen aviation. With all that momentum, they're now preparing for full-scale flight testing in the near future. This is still early days, but it's clear that hydrogen-powered aviation is no longer just an idea on paper. It's steadily moving toward becoming a real option for the future of flight.